Teriparatide, also known as parathyroid hormone, is used to treat bone loss, osteoporosis, in people who have a high risk of getting fractures. It works by increasing bone mass and strength, which helps to decrease the risk of getting a fracture. This medication is not recommended for use in children or young adults whose bones are still growing. It is important to take this medication exactly as prescribed by your healthcare provider. The typical dosage is 20 micrograms per dose, which equals 620 micrograms in 2.48 milliliters. It is usually injected under the skin once a day. The best time to take this medication is in the morning, as it helps to increase the amount of calcium in your body throughout the day. If you have any concerns about taking teriparatide, be sure to talk to your healthcare provider for more information. Before starting teriparatide, make sure to read the medication guide provided by your pharmacist. If you have any questions, ask your doctor or pharmacist for clarification. A healthcare professional will show you how to use this medication properly, and you should also read the user manual for preparation and usage instructions. If anything is unclear, consult your doctor or pharmacist. Before using, check the product for particles or discoloration. If you see either, do not use the liquid. Your doctor will instruct you to inject this medication under the skin, usually once daily into the thigh or abdomen. Before each dose, clean the injection site with rubbing alcohol. It's important to change the injection site each time to prevent skin injury. Learn how to store and dispose of needles and medical supplies safely, and consult your pharmacist for more information. Using this medication regularly will help you get the most benefit from it. Try to use it at the same time each day to help you remember. If you experience dizziness or a fast heartbeat within 4 hours of using this medication, these symptoms may last for a few minutes to a few hours. This effect should go away after several doses as your body adjusts to the medication. It is best to lie or sit down if these symptoms occur. You may also experience muscle cramps/spasms, nausea, or pain/swelling/bruising at the injection site. If any of these effects last or get worse, tell your doctor or pharmacist promptly. Remember that this medication has been prescribed because your doctor has judged that the benefit to you is greater than the risk of side effects. Many people using this medication do not have serious side effects. Tell your doctor right away if you have any serious side effects, including fainting, constipation, unusual tiredness, mental/mood changes, such as confusion, purplish spots on the skin ulcers/lesions. Teriparatide has been shown to increase bone cancer, osteosarcoma, in rats. It is unknown if this medication can cause bone cancer in humans. Tell your doctor right away if you have any symptoms of bone cancer, including bone pain, unusual growths/lumps. A very serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare. However, get medical help right away if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, including rash, itching/swelling, especially of the face/tongue/throat, severe dizziness, trouble breathing. If you notice other effects not listed above, contact your doctor or pharmacist. Before starting teriparatide, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about any allergies you may have. This medication may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions. It's important to also discuss your medical history, especially if you have any other bone disorders, a personal or family history of bone cancer, or if you have had radiation treatment, high levels of calcium in the blood, or kidney stones. This medication may cause dizziness, and using alcohol or marijuana can increase this effect. It's important to avoid driving or operating machinery until you know how this medication affects you. Limiting alcoholic beverages and discussing marijuana use with your doctor is also recommended. When getting up from a sitting or lying position, do so slowly to reduce the risk of dizziness and lightheadedness. Before undergoing any surgery, make sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the medications and products you are using. If you are pregnant, this medication should only be used when clearly needed. It's important to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It's also unknown if this medication passes into breast milk, so breastfeeding is not recommended while using this medication. Consult your doctor before breastfeeding. When taking teriparatide, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions that could affect how the medication works or increase the risk of serious side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share this information with your doctor and pharmacist. It's crucial not to start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without first obtaining approval from your doctor. If you or someone else has taken too much teriparatide and is experiencing severe symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help by calling 911 or contacting a poison control center. In the U.S., you can reach out to your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, you can call a provincial poison control center. Signs of an overdose may include vomiting, extreme dizziness, and unusual tiredness. Remember not to share this medication with anyone else. It's important to have regular medical tests, such as checking your calcium levels, while using this medication. Make sure to attend all medical and lab appointments and consult your doctor for more information. In addition to taking this medication, making some lifestyle changes can also help promote healthy bones. This includes doing weight-bearing exercises, quitting smoking, limiting alcohol intake, and eating well-balanced meals with enough calcium and vitamin D. You may also need to take calcium and vitamin D supplements, so it's best to consult your doctor for specific advice on this. If you forget to take a dose of teriparatide, and remember later on the same day, go ahead and take it as soon as you remember. If you realize the next day, just skip the missed dose and take your next dose at the usual time. Do not take a double dose to make up for the missed one. Now let's talk about the storage and usage of teriparatide. It should be stored in the refrigerator, away from light, but do not freeze it. If the medication has been frozen, do not use it. After removing it from the refrigerator, it should be used immediately and then returned to the refrigerator. This product can be used for up to 28 days, so make sure to mark the day when you start using it. After 28 days, even if there is still medication left, the product should be discarded. Remember to keep all medications away from children and pets. When it is expired or no longer needed, consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for proper disposal. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.